This is job number DA-0422. Includes 2 presses, both 530-ton presses. Both presses have new control systems, new hydraulic power units, guarding, hard guarding, light curtains, mesh guarding, built in the same fashion as previous presses for the same customer. All right, go ahead, start it up. We'll call this one A. We'll show the press closing. That's in auto? Okay, that's auto mode. What do you have the timer set at?
90 seconds.
All right, so it's going to clamp, go up to tonnage. It's got a 90-second cure time. The light will come on when it's done. Yep, and then you got to hit the open button. So the blue light signifies the cooling mode. Okay, the light's blinking now. You have to hit the open light or open button. Press will come down. Once it comes down, raise it up and break the light curtain. Okay, that completes the cycle. Now we'll close it and break the light curtain. You get a notice on the screen. You have to reset that, and then the process will continue. Okay, you can go ahead and open it. Light curtain works in both directions. Okay, that completes press A.